up, YouTube? New day, new car. Not sure how often I'll start making videos again, but I figured why not? Kind of bored. It's a 2016 Camaro SS. First video I'll be doing today will be headlights, or the bulbs at least. Essentially, I thought that with these you would have to take the whole entire bumper off in order to get to the headlight, but that's not the case, so I will be showing you that. But I do want to show you the difference between the original bulbs and these here. So I had somebody reach out to me to try out their bulbs, and these bulbs are like relatively cheap for how good they are. I will do a driving comparison so you can see like the actual bulbs that are in right now, the stock ones, and then I'll put these in so that you can actually see these and how well they work. But enough talk, let's go ahead and get to it. I'll show y'all the easy way of taking the bulbs out, because I thought that I would have to take the whole bumper, take the headlight out in order to make that happen, but it is doable without doing so. So first off, I'm gonna go ahead and turn these lights on and start off with a driving comparison. I hope y'all can see pretty well. I'm gonna go to where there's hardly any light. So like I said, these are the stock headlight bulbs right now. They're okay for the moment. You can only see so much. This is what they look like. In an area that has no light at all. High beams, no high beams. Turn around here, pull in this little parking lot right here, and I'll show you exactly how to change the bulbs. This video won't be too long, it's quite easy to do. I'll kind of show you how, and then just jump back into the car of another in-car footage of exactly what the other bulbs will look like. And like I said, they're pretty cheap. I'll put them in the description below, and then there's also a pretty big discount for them as well. I think it was like 35%, so if you get them now, it's a pretty big deal off. But give it 1 second and I'll get right back to you guys. Alright, here's the bulbs. They come with these gloves. Like I said, they're pretty bright compared to the original ones. So you can unscrew this and take this entire box off, but there's really no point. So here, yeah, I'll probably start from here. Yeah. So you can pop that up just like that, and boom, this is disconnected. I normally just set it up just like this, and then get that to hold. Right there, this round thing where you can see the green and yellow X, that there, you want to take that off. Let's see if I can get this to hold. Alright, so you'll take this little cover here off. I hope y'all can still see. There's your light. You're going to turn that counterclockwise, and there's a little plug at the bottom. There's a tab. All you're going to do is push that and pull that plug right out from the bulb. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So here's the bulb. Here's that little tab I was talking about. Boom. And just like that, it's out. You're gonna grab your new bulb. Let's see if I can find a way to I'm gonna have to come back to it. I'm gonna plug this in, and then I'll show you the difference. My bad. Before I start the other one. Same old thing on this side. You can't really just take the battery box just straight off without unbolting it. But all you do is kind of just dig back here. If you got small enough hands, it'll be easy. I'm not sure if y'all can see it, but that little round piece is right there. Let's see if I can get some any good lighting. That round piece is about there. And just stick your hand in here if you can, and you should be able to twist that off. And then from there, just take out the bulb, do the same thing. Alright, here we go. So you see, you got that nice cool white color. This is what they look like. I don't know about y'all, but that makes a very big difference to me. This area that has air to light it up, I just like that look a lot more. This is how it looks down the back road now. Low beam, highs. Distance is just a little bit further as far as visual, but it is brighter as far as I can tell. But that's pretty much it for this video. I'll be trying to do a little bit more here and there. If y'all have anything else that y'all like to know or wondering about, just let me know, and I'll try to make a video for that as well. Thank y'all for watching. Just keep tuned.